Well, playing $30 to spend 5-cent denom on this crazy chicken game. I got the multiplier. So let's see what we can do. Need a lot of multipliers. Let's see some multipliers. Okay, now it has to save me. Come on, there we go. I needed that. Where's these multipliers at? There we go, that helps. Come on, save me one time. One time, come on. That helps. Small hand buddy. Anything's better than nothing though. Coming next year we won't have that because it'll be 2,000.